Hi YouTube, today I'm going to be making a spicy potato curry. This goes great with bread, rice, or in a sandwich. It's a great addition to any meal. So let's get started. So these are the ingredients that we're going to be needing. We're going to need half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of red chili pepper, half a teaspoon of crushed pepper, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and this is what really brings the flavor of these potatoes. And then we're gonna need coriander seeds, which I've crushed, and these are also half a teaspoon. And this is also what's responsible for bringing that great smell of this dish. Next, we're gonna need a pinch of carom seeds and 1 bay leaf. We also need 1 teaspoon of turmeric. And we're going to need oil, ginger, spices, and cilantro for garnishing, and we're also going to be using 4 or 5 potatoes. So I've sliced the potatoes up like so, and now we're going to mix everything together in our pot. The rest is very easy. We're just going to put these potatoes in, and I'm going to be putting in the oil, the ginger, and all the spices mixed together. Mix everything together, and now we're going to cook this on medium flame for 7 to 8 minutes. And as you can see, they're a lighter brown now. And I'm going to put water in. This is half a cup of water. And then I'm going to mix this and then slow cook for another 10 minutes. And then I'm going to check after these 10 minutes if they're tender or not. It's been 10 minutes now. And my potatoes look like they're done. They look pretty tender. And this is how I'm checking them to see if they're tender or not. And yes, you can tell they are tender here. And I'm gonna garnish it with my spices and the cilantro. Here you can see my tasty potatoes are done. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe and like for more.